Well, my wonderful people, I did a video yesterday on the despicable tree, and I just want to make a few corrections in that video before I go on to the fishy video. Okay? Now, look at the picture right there. You see Kendall, Master Thief. That is Sickbad, Scarecrow. You understand? The assistant manager. You understand? That's his brother. Now, in the video I used the word tent to describe somebody, and that person is this guy here on the right, which is Kent Sickbad, and the guy on the left, that's his brother Kendall, who is in, listen to this now, who is in Martinique working at a bar. So when you see how the link goes, I just wanted to clear that up. Now, with that said, let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. It has finally come to bow. Or come to bong. When we say bow. Bow cat. No, a joke me I make. Now, this youth right here, so look on him. That's Fishy. And Fishy is an extraordinary boss. He just got out of jail yesterday, and it sent the Trinidad system half the yin yang. Yes, this youth are Fishy. For me to sit here and say anything crazy about the man, which me do a couple videos for him, but me not have nothing crazy to say about that youth here. But one thing we know about him have big powers, and me go show now. Why? Look on this. Now look at this picture here, so I did this video and it said Fishy is the Don in prison who did the Grenada hit. Now, there was a big time man, or there is a big timer, another Don from Trinidad who lives abroad, and he came to Grenada because he's friends with the guy in the blue hat you see on this picture, and them other two guys you see there, they are hitmen, came from Trinidad, sent by allegedly now Fishy. But Fishy have a beef with another big timer from Trinidad who lives abroad. I think that one they live in England or one of those countries. And Fishy baby mother leave Fishy and they with that guy. So Fishy have a beef going on with that man there. Would I say over pum feelings. You understand? From what I heard. But it is not so much really pum feelings. It would be, I guess, a disrespect. Cause you know, sometimes it can get disrespectful, and you know how them man they stay once they are making money. Once they're making money, you can't tell them nothing and everything can come across crazy. So really, long story short, like them say, allegedly now, Fishy was the man, the Don in jail. And that, a lot of people thought it was drugs, but are not really drugs. And these two Trinidad youth on the bottom right there to the left, one in the red shirt and the next one, they are jail. I think one of them died over there for not lying, and the other one they are jail. And it was like 3 of them. But I did the video and you can check it out. So that's how unique Fishy is. Fishy have big powers. Now more I show you something else. Look at that picture right there. You see Fishy to the left and 6 down. Fishy is originally supporting the 6 man then. On the right, you see Sunday Trinidad Zeeks, I call him. And that guy right there, Amar, he had gotten killed brutally. I think 9 people did get shot at the time. Now, Amar's brother is the one who is beefing with Fishy. I just show you the dynamics, you know. But what make it even double worse, it seems like Amar brother and Amar them support the 7, while Fishy support the 6. So I'm saying like this, if Amar brother wasn't supporting the 7, then maybe him and Fishy could have some kind of negotiation. But because him and Fishy have a disagreement over a female, and then on top of that now, the 7 and the 6. So these are the guys them and the dynamics with this whole thing. Now, Fishy just come out of jail. I don't know what Fishy is doing. And I'm not saying he's out there supporting the 6 now and I run behind him or whatever. I'm not say that. But just I tell you stuff from the past and where his allegiance was with the 6. Now 6 Dan me here say he make a big speech online, Instagram, when Fishy drop, and from him make certain kind of joyful positive speech, you know what that mean. They might link up. But one thing we know, the 6 them outnumber the 7 by far in Trinidad and throughout the Caribbean. And the 6, they have couple younger money guys coming up or dance. Because remember now, you can't forget this one here, you know. Let me show him again.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We can't forget this man right here, so. This are the big bad yo killer, you know. And him is aligned with the 6. So now, you have Fishy, you have yo killer, and you have 6 Dan. Now Fishy and yo killer, when it come to money, they man the money long. They man a US millionaire then. Straight up. I just have to be honest. Because just like yo killer, Fishy family them have business. And you see Fishy, him have family who live in Venezuela. We actually live there. You understand? Me just make you know. Him have family who live in Venezuela. And when Fishy was out back then, he used to translate English and Spanish for him uncle. Just to make you know, so Fishy, just like Yo Killa, them two man there, them money big. And then them link with 6 Dan. Over upon the 7th side, you have Prezi. You did have the boy that named Django, where them say boy a 6 Dan them screaming. But Django, him was a wicked boy, dangerous boy. Them say him kill world boss. And him and the girl, world boss, woman a friend, wife, world boss dead now. So, on the 7th side, you have Prezi, you have Trinidad Zeeks. Now take Trinidad Zeeks lightly, you know, but him not have as much as them other man there. Not even near. Trinidad Zeeks, what him do now, him work with the government, you know, cause for some reason, you know, him get contract and hire the man then for work. Me know that for a fact. Yo, him build up 2 big house, him build up a house for himself, Trinidad Zeeks, and him build up one for his mother too. You understand? And the year say him gone to England to cause that's Prezi first cousin. So I saw the thing set right now down in a Trinidad. Me I go on the latest and the update on the real man them and the real gangster. Now Fishy, are you me I talk to? You see Rashi back 7. Don't deal with him. Be careful. Because you see him a link certain bottom feeders in a St. Lucia. And they have the infographics right there and you can look on it. Now this was a video I did warning you Fishy, and I was warning Prezi also, telling you don't deal with Rashi back. And you have Scarecrow, them call him Kent, sick bad, and you have Lean Back. You understand? Mr. Joseph Lean Back. So if you get anybody a link you from them side of the world there, Fishy, don't deal with them. Them are straight thief. Them just thief some man things, and the man them things with them thief, it sound like the man them are Trinidadian and cartel things. You understand? So Fishy, me I send out the SOS. Be aware of them boy there. Lean Back and that boy they can't bad. The man them is a set, a thief, a robber, a Rashi back. Okay? Can't say me never tell you. With that said, I'm out of here. And like me say, remember the big bad interview that's coming up. Couple different interviews. And with the big bad judge, she gonna give the whole breakdown of what went down in St. Lucia with her and other things. Now I'm gonna have a special guest that was in St. Lucia, and he's gonna drop some major bombshell. So we'll just stay tuned, you know, and if you don't want to hear them things, they can't believe me, it's gonna be at like fire. Now with that said, Fishy is out, and like me say, Fishies are done. Fishy are nothing to play with. You understand? And I hope Fishy can love certain things and be careful of certain man dog. So that's all I can tell you. Here what? My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.